Well, we got hit with some snow here. Look at that. Oh, hey. Thanks, city, for hitting that. Appreciate it. Not. So gotta take pictures of that. You know, a little, send it in. Say, hey, we want a new one. Look at all this. Just snow and snow and snow. Yep, we're ready to move some stuff, aren't we, bud? It's cold, it's windy. Appreciate you, much love.
There was a blizzard last night.
There was a blizzard last night.
A blizzard from Dairy Queen.
Yeah, blizzard from Dairy Queen. We caught them all. Your lips are red.
What?
You got red lips.
Because from my icy thing.
Icy. Okay.
I ate one.
He ate one. Well, much love. Appreciate you. We're bundled up. We're gonna move some snow and see if we can get out of here because we got to go to Walmart. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, look at that. Oh man. Yeah.
It's
Look at
all
that.
over.
Oh boy. Yep. Got knocked over. It is chilly out. Shit. Look at these guys. Everyone's going on over there. Oh man. Cotton picking. Yeah, look at this.
A snowball.
Look at this. Whoa.
It's a water,
Yeah.
It turned into a water slide.
Nice try. Well, oh,
That's a good setting.
gonna fall over here. Seriously. Much love. Appreciate you.
I'll make Mr. Snow.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Brr. Uh-oh. Out there. Seriously, we got just chaos going on here in the Midwest. Hey, 1111. Much love. Appreciate you. Subscribe.
Keep the thumbs up.
Be kind. Help each other out. And until next time. Oh, yeah, make that snow angel. Oh, yeah, Snow Angel 101. Lay down. Move your legs and arms. Plowing.
It's my face.
All right. Well, it's cold. We're going to get after it. And hopefully we can get this snow moved so we can at least get out a little bit. Appreciate you. Tell them anything else?
Subscribe, like the video, and comment if you live in Fairbolt. And if you got a blizzard from Dairy Queen.
Yeah. You get that? Okay. See ya.